guys, what is up? It's me, looksbylottie, and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time here on my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad to have you here today. If you like videos about makeup, make sure to subscribe down below. Currently, my upload schedule is all over the place because I'm trying to do 13 days of Halloween and also post a couple other videos this month, so you're just gonna get a video often. Also, don't look at my nails. I'm gonna be repainting them soon. If this is your second, third, fourth, or however many times you've been here, then welcome back. It's so good to see you again. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on by pressing that bell down below. So when I went to Walmart a couple weeks ago to look for, Halloween inspiration, I found this really beautiful headband. And so I thought it'd be fun to do a look inspired by, the moon goddesses. There are quite a few of them. I did a little bit of research on them, not like too intensely though, not enough for me to like spit out at you. But I thought it would be fun, and that is what we're gonna do today. It is gonna be more blue and silver themed, which I'm not usually a person that goes for like silver shimmers or something like that. Usually I'm gonna go for like gold, so this is gonna be a little bit out of my comfort zone. Also, this is kind of like heavy. Like, it was only $4.99, but I could probably resell this for like 10 bucks. Like, it could do some damage. But we're gonna jump right into the tutorial. I'm just going to put my base down first, and I will see you in a second. My face is ready to go. I don't know what I was doing there. So I'm gonna do my eyes first, and to start things off, I'm going to take the Glammed Ice Cream Dream palette. If you don't know what to do with a discount code with Glammed, you can use code looksbylottie for 15% off. But the first shade I'm going to use is this one right here called Cookie Monster, and that's gonna go right into my crease. This is such a beautiful, like, periwinkle blue. Is periwinkle purple, or I don't know, but it's a very beautiful blue color. I'm a fan of it. Now we're gonna go into the Morphe X Flashback Mary palette.
Hi, sisters!
And we're gonna take this shade right here, which looks a little bit darker than the one that I already have now. I don't know the name of the shade. Is it Brother Cola? Something stupid, I don't know. To soften up the blend up here, I'm just going to take this skin colored shade and just blend to my heart's content. Now I'm going to go into my outer corner, flicking it up, and also bring it a little bit onto the lid with this shade right here. Yay. Just to add a little more depth, just like a teeny little bit, I'm going to the Makeup Revolution X Alexis Stone palette, and I'm just going to take this dark blue shade right here, just going to tap it on my outer corner. Now I'm going to do a half cut crease with the e.l.f. concealer. This is the Hydrating Camo concealer specifically, and I'm going to cut with this brush. For my lid shimmer, I am actually going to go into the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. Now, this is a gift from one of my students a couple years ago, and so because it's a gift, I can never get rid of this despite how old it gets. If you've never seen it before, it looks like this, and it has a mirror. Hold on, where am I? Hello! And I'm going to take this shimmer right here, which is called Glam Rock. But right now, I'm just gonna brush my brows and kind of fill them in a little bit, not be too crazy or dramatic, but just like a fill in the gaps kind of deal. Right now I'm just going to do some lashes and liner, not even going to do like a wing, just do a tight line. So I'll be right back. Alright, so now it's time to do the lower lash line. So basically we're going to do all the shadows that I did, but in the opposite order. So starting with Flashback Mary and then ending with Glam Light. Gonna drop some mascara on my lower lash line. This mascara was sent to me by Melloway. It is the Your Way mascara. And this is really cool because, you know, back in the day when I was first using mascara, I would kind of like bend the tube a little bit just so I could like be able to get in my like on my lower lashes and kind of in my lashes just in general. But this just already does that. Like, you can move it this way, you can move it this way, you can like put it at an angle.
Like, this is so cool.
Like, why haven't they done this yet? So once again, thank you Melloway for sending this to me, and yeah, let's put on my mascara. Now we're gonna add some blush with the Moon Prism Blush Palette. I just had to. And I'm gonna go in with my usual mix of shades, which is Stargaze and Pink Moon. Now this is where things get a little spicy. Instead of contouring with a normal bronzer shade, I'm going to take this shade that we used earlier and put it lightly on my cheeks so we get like a cool kind of effect. Seems weird, but just give me a second. We're going to continue contouring a little bit around the face and also just kind of blending this out so it has a really nice, kind of smooth, kind of celestial look. Because right now it's kind of like, so this might take a while. So if I don't talk to you, I apologize. I kind of went in really deep here. As you can see, it's not the cleanest, so I'm going to try and clean it up with some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Please pray for me that this works. To make this look a little more celestial in a way, I'm gonna add a little bit more pink and also a couple dots of purple, as well as some shimmer to make it look, you know, shiny and pretty. Now I'm going to add two different highlighters to this look, the Kylie Cosmetics Ice Me Out and then the Michaela X Glam Light Highlighter. I just think that these two together would just be really great. Now we're going to draw on our face. My favorite thing to do. I'm going to add a Crescent Moon right here because I've seen a few pictures of people do it and I thought it was pretty. So I'm going to use the Midas Cosmetics Keramos Pastel Cake Liner Palette, specifically the white shade, which is called Powdered Sugar. Now I'm going to add some dots all around this bluish, pinkish, purple section to be the stars, and they're going to be a little bit of white and also a little bit of a pastel yellow. And here is our final look. What do you guys think? Personally, I wish I had a better dress than this, but I mean, you get what you get. I feel super glamorous in this look. Like, so if you're trying to be the glam girl at your Halloween party this year and you want to wow some people, this might be the look to do. And let me ask you guys this. You can leave it in the comments down below. Are you more of a morning person or a night person? For me, because of my teaching career, I kind of have to be a morning person, but I also like being productive in the mornings. Like, I feel like 9 to noon is like my most productive time, and then I need to sleep. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. Now go ahead, leave a like and a comment. Make sure you are subscribed and also turn on notifications so you know when I post my next video. I am almost at 300 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your support. Once again, getting to closer and closer every single day. And when I do hit 500 subscribers on YouTube and 5,000 followers on Instagram, I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. Now it's time for me to go to bed because it's 9:30 p.m. I'll see you guys later. Bye!